Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this low braided hairstyle. To start, we're going to pop the hair into a centre parting. Next, take a comb and run it from the top of the head to just behind the ear and clip this out of the way for later. And then just repeat this on the opposite side. Split the remaining hair in half and we're just going to pop these into clear elastic bands so they create two low ponytails. Release the front section on the left hand side, divide the hair into 3 even sections and cross the left strand over the middle and then the right strand over the middle. Then cross the left strand over the middle and then the right strand over the middle, but this time we're going to add a chunk of hair from that right hand ponytail. Bring this across and add it to the middle strand. Then cross the left strand over the middle and then the right strand over the middle. And then section off another chunk of hair from that right hand side ponytail, bring it across and add it to the middle strand. And then we're just going to keep braiding this way until we run out of hair on the ponytail. Make sure that you hold your braid going straight down. Once you've used all the hair from the ponytail, just finish it off in a regular 3-strand braid and secure it with a clear elastic band. Next, take that ponytail on the left hand side and bring it up and over the braided section. Release the hair at the front of the head and we're going to do the same, so divide it into 3 equal sections. So cross the left strand over the middle, then the right strand over the middle, then cross the left strand over the middle, take a chunk of hair from the ponytail and bring it over to join that middle strand, cross the right strand over the middle and then the left strand over the middle, add another chunk of hair from the ponytail, bring it over to the middle strand. And again, just keep braiding all the way down until you run out of hair from the ponytail. And then just finish it off in a regular 3-strand braid. Next, taking that braid on the left hand side, we're just going to bring it over to the right and pin that braid to the nape of the neck. And then take that right hand braid, pull it over to the left hand side and pin that to the neck also. So if you've got some tail ends sticking out, wrap these around a bobby pin and just tuck them back under that little braided section. Then secure the braid to the head with as many bobby pins as needed. And we're just going to repeat this on the opposite side. Finish it off with a little bit of hairspray. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description box below. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.